you want clean classroom, you should pick up the trash first. If you want kindness, you should use kind word. If you want peace, you should not be fighting and start sharing.
Did you understand the meaning of this quote? Yes, okay. I hope Mahatma Gandhi taught us that peace and kindness are stronger than violence. Let's, as our promise to Mahatma Gandhi, that we are going to use those words to fight everyone, or let's use these three words, not only violence. Did you understand our lesson today? Yes, okay. Now, before Mr. Gandhi will exit, he wanted to say the last word before we go.
Friends, before I go, can you all repeat after me? I will be kind. I will be truthful. I will be peaceful. Thank you all.
Okay. Alright, I hope let's carry.
Wonderful.
Okay. I remember, Gandhi, you told me a story before about when you were young. Can you please tell the story to my friends too?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay, everyone, let's listen to the story. Mr. Gandhi will ask you a question later about his story. Let's listen now.
When I was young, I once made a mistake. I was scared to tell my father about it, but I decided to write a note saying that I was sorry for everything, and I was sorry with everything I did. And then when I gave it to him, he started hugging me and also cried with love. That's when I realized truth is more powerful than lying.
Okay, did you understand the story of Gandhi? Yes. What did he do when he had a hard time before? What did he do? Did he cry all along and then he went to his father to hug him? Is it right? What did he do in his story?
He wrote a letter to his dad and he gave it to him, and his dad cracked it like tears of love. Yeah?
Okay, that's right. And in our story of Mr. Gandhi, what is the big lesson that we